This is our school. See? And those are the ugly cheese buses. See? You just missed my car. My car is sexy. This is Aaliyah, the owner of this camera. When was that sign there? Has that sign always been there?
I don't know.
That hasn't always been there, right? Is this how you put videos up on YouTube?
Oh, yes. Sometimes I just use my laptop.
This is Nayeli. And she.
I just hate standing over here.
And this is Angie, Aaliyah's bestie. See, right? We're twins, right? Look at her boy book bag. And this is Zanaya. This is going on YouTube.
No. Y'all don't know my name.
Yeah, you're right. I don't.
It's
Makayla.
Candy. No, my name is Candy.
That's Makayla.
Nope. Y'all don't know my middle name or my last name. I'm not telling. Me either. My name is Hershey Bar. No, my name is South Cream. My name is South Cookie and Cream. My name is Hershey Cookie and Cream. That's what my name is.
Imagine.
I can't be on YouTube until I'm 67.
It's so she's sweet. She's
Nah, just playing. I can't be on YouTube until I am 11.
How do you work this shit?
Yeah, it's like.
Okay, you might not put that on.
You want me to stop recording it?
Yes.